Guys, nighttime. How many Teslas do we see? Tesla 1, Tesla 2, Tesla 3. Tesla, every car's a Tesla here. Tesla, guys, Tesla. Nighttime. It's Tesla versus Tesla. You have so many Teslas everywhere. Actually, there's a Tesla right there, and Tesla right there, and there's actually a Tesla right there, and there's actually a Tesla next to this car on the other side. You can see Tesla there, and Tesla there, and then Tesla there. Right. Oh, and this car left. And then you can see that, boom, replaced by Tesla. Tesla replacing Tesla. Tesla versus Tesla.